Not my little angel, right?
Oh, yeah. Can you imagine?
Yeah, that must have been a real shock.
Well, I guess now she gets it.
Yeah, I guess she does.
That was the point, right?
Yeah, I know.
Well, it kind of feels like you might be, you know,
What?
feeling, like, bad for her.
No.
I mean, the drink was your idea.
Yeah, I know.
I just said embarrass her. Wait till she was asleep and then take pictures.
I know, Julie.
You said put vodka in her drink.
Julie, I know.
And I don't remember you telling me to stop either, Aaron.
Yes, but
But what?
nothing. Oh, can you imagine? Like, being in the car?
Oh, officer, police. I've never done anything before.
I'm a little angel, officer.
I have straight A's, officer.
Don't tell my mommy, officer.
My crap doesn't stink, officer.
Enter Jen, flushed. She has been hurrying and is nervous.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Could this have gone any better?
Julie, they arrested her. I told you. Her mom called my mom this morning. She was drunk. She hit a car.
So?
So, they know we were with her last night. They know that we were...
Oh, Jen, relax.
Yeah, Jen, relax. What's the big problem?
What's the problem? Julie, you put vodka in... So, she's underage. So, the police will...
They'll what, Jen? Tell her she's a naughty girl, throw her in jail, shoot her? What do you care?
As far as they know, she chose to drink and drive.
Sure. Why would they think any different?
Why would they think any different? Because
Did she see Julie do it?
It was your idea, Aaron.
Oh, I know.
Well, I guess she didn't...
She told us she was leaving. She got into the car, she started it, and she drove away. She didn't seem drunk.
Wait, I don't remember if...
She didn't seem drunk.
She didn't seem drunk, Jen. Because if she had, what kind of friends would we be if we'd had let her drive away?
Julie...
I'll tell you what kind of friends we'd be, Jen. We'd be the kind of friends who allowed it to happen. And we're not that kind of friends, are we?
What are you going to tell your mom, Jen?
Lindsay?
Don't bother. She's not talking. Moody.
What did you tell your mom?
Nothing. Lindsay.
Are you sure, Jen?
We need this straight, Jen.
I told you, nothing. Why aren't you talking, Lindsay?
Jen!
I swear to you, I heard the whole conversation with her mom. You invited her over. She was surprised. She was happy. She came, she left, and then she was arrested. That's all her mom knows.
Okay, then.
Who did you say invited her over?
What?
You said you invited her over. It was your house, your invitation.
I know.
Don't forget.
Okay. So, what do we do?
What do you mean?
Julie, they called us down here. This is the police. What do we say?
Oh, for crime's sake, Jen. Just tell them what happened. This isn't Law and Order.
But,
What?
Lindsay, what do you...
She knows what to say, Jen. Don't you, Lindsay? I can't believe it, officer.
It's so unlike her, officer.
She's such a good little girl, officer.
Drunk, officer?
Their apparent confidence is starting to affect Jen. Their collective bond is reinforced as this elaborate play act unfolds.
Not Libby Pearce, officer.
She's the model student, officer.
A great future ahead of her, officer.
So talented.
Respectable.
Pure. Perfect.
We just wanted a happy evening, officer.
Just girl talking good times, officer.
I didn't even know there was alcohol in the house, officer.
The kids at school will be so shocked, officer.
Such a shame, officer.
Everybody likes her, officer.
How could anybody not like her, officer?
I know I will find it hard to accept this, officer.
A young person with so much going for her, officer?
Unnoticed, Lindsay has shown signs of growing irritation with this conversation. Eventually, she can no longer contain her contempt.
Are you finished? Well, it speaks.
What's the matter with you, Lindsay? I was trying to talk to you.
You are all so stupid.
I liked her better when she wasn't talking.
What are you talking about?
She has no idea. What's your problem, moron?
Oh, I'm the moron? Well, maybe. Maybe, but apparently I'm the only moron that watches the news.
It's on the news?
Of course it is. The great Libby Pearce is arrested for DUI. Call the newspaper.
Maybe her mom did call the newspaper?
Don't be an idiot, Jen. To say what? Hey, look, my kid's in jail?
No, you're all idiots. You don't just out a DUI case on the news. It's only you who seems so obsessed with what happens to Libby Pearce.
Okay, well, if you're so freaking clever, what did you see on the news?
Were any of us on the news?
Well, Jen, I think you would remember if
Oh,
we were...
shut up. I meant, did our names...
For the last time, Jen, how would they know that we...
Coming back from my house, Julie. That's all right for you.
It's not all right for any of us, Jen. We're all in this.
It's fine for all of us. They don't know anything. She doesn't know anything.
She died. It was on the 6 o'clock news this morning. An update. She died. You should watch the news.
Julie.
Oh, geez, Julie. What do we do now?
Shut up and let me think.
She died.
How can... Oh, no.
I love you.
We didn't mean to hurt anybody.
Well, that doesn't matter now. I guess this changes things. I guess...
Nothing has changed.
What are you talking about, Julie? Of course
Nothing has changed.
Julie...
None of this is our fault. We didn't pour it down her throat. We didn't force her into the car.
What?
Stay out of this, Lindsay. No one cares what you think. Everything stays the same.
Julie, no it doesn't. No one meant for this to happen. But now it has.
And what, Aaron?
I didn't even know she was hurt.
Who? Shut up, Lindsay.
Julie, if she's... Then things have changed.
What are you saying about Libby?
Lindsay, you just told us she was
Dead. So what?
Julie,
Libby's fine. You told me your mom spoke to her mom, Jen.
Yeah, and then you said that she died.
Don't you think that she would have said if Libby was hurt? Even slightly?
wait. So she's fine?
What are you talking about, Lindsay? She's not... You're so weird.
Libby's fine? She's alive?
Of course.
Well, then why did you say she was dead?
I didn't. She hit a car, remember? She was driving her mom's Volvo. She hit a woman driving a little compact car. That woman died. Said on the TV it took 2 hours to get her out. She was dead before they got her to the hospital.
There is a pause while they reassess. It becomes clear that there is a sense of relief.
So the other woman died.
Well, so
That's... what? Better?
Well, no. I mean, it's still, tragic.
It's, tragic. That's your evaluation of the situation, is it, Jen?
Oh, shut up, Lindsay. You know what she means.
No, I don't, Aaron. No, I really don't.
I didn't say it was better, Lindsay.
No, but that's what you were thinking. That's what you're all thinking.
Oh, and you're not? Of course. Of course. That's what that moody silence was for, huh, Lindsay?